Ah! Hey, bro, look at this guy's clothes. What do you think you are? Who is this guy? I do not know. And why is he holding a sledgehammer? I do not know. Better stay away from him. Yo, he's getting closer. Back away, pumpkin. Okay. Oh no, what are you doing? What the hell you want? Bro, get this deadbeat out of here. Wait, no! Ah! Ah, no! What have you done to him? No! I do.
Life is reasons, darn on dying. Why did you just say that? It's
Wait, please, no. You're gonna die, you freaking bastard. Yeah. What the hell you done? You're gonna die. What the heck? No. That's it. You are going to die. You freaking bastard. Come over here now. Yeah. My freaking arms. Oh shoot. Jeez. What have you done to my friends? What have you done to my friends? Now you're going to pay. Hiya! No. Thank Thank you, Papa. Damn it. Yuck. What the heck? You're burning them. No, no, please, please, please. Ah! Ah! Stop! Yeah. My head! My head! Ouch! Stop it! No. Get alive! Get alive! That's it. Me and Dragonfly are gonna kill you. Wait, what the heck? Ah! Bang, bang! You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna